Hi Baritones, welcome back. Today we'll work on Accent Book 2, page number 8. On today's page, we're talking about half steps and whole steps. In the top center of the page is a piano keyboard, and it says on this piano keyboard, the distance between any two notes that are next to each other is a half step. If there's a note in between two notes, that is a whole step, and two half steps equal one whole step. On the right-hand side of the page, it gives some examples. From A to B flat is a half step. From A to B is a whole step because B flat is in between. Our first exercise today is number 21, different steps. On this exercise, you can see above the staff, they have marked with a triangle or a square symbol the half steps and whole steps. We'll do more of that at the bottom of today's page. The exercise, different steps, is in cut time. Remember from last video, cut time is 2/2 time. The value of the notes are cut in half. Whole notes get 2 beats. Half notes get 1 beat. And quarter notes, they get a half of the beat, like an eighth note would. So let's play our different steps together. B flat and E is natural, second valve. 1, 2, ready and go. Let's do that again. 1, 2, ready, go. Next up is a favorite, Up on the Housetop. It's a traditional carol. This piece is marked vivace. We won't go vivace, but we'll go 80 beats per minute. Join me as we play. And 1, 2, and ready, set, go. If you enjoyed that one, try pausing the video and rewinding it and play it again. You'll be glad you did. Zoom Gali Gali is up next. It's an Israeli folk song and it's our duet on today's page. It's got B flat, E flat, and A flat in the key signature. So remember your E flats, your A flats, and if you need to, your D flats. On today's page, the song Zoom Gali Gali, I'm going to start with part A. If you'd like, you can join me on part A, or you could play part B for the instant duet. This piece is in common time, not cut time. Common time, remember, is 4/4, the most common time. 1, 2, part A. 1, 2, ready, go. And now I'll play part B. You can join me, or you could play part A for an instant duet. 1, 2, and 1, 2, ready, Our last exercise requires a pencil. Grab one and it says label the half steps with a triangle and label the whole steps with a square top. Just like they did way up at the top of the page in number 21, you're going to label the half steps and whole steps. And then try playing this exercise on your baritone. One of the notes that we're going to introduce is the third note, F sharp. If you don't know, that's a 2 and 3 valve combination. F sharp, the third note. Then the sixth note is a first and second valve combination. That note's name is B natural. We'll use that later in our book. The highest note of number 24 is the note D. It's no valves. It's the partial above your high B flat. Make sure you use a firm embouchure and pull back those corners to make those lips buzz just that bit faster. Let's play number 24 one time to give it a try. 1, 2, ready, go. Now grab your pencil and label those half steps and whole steps. Until I see you next time, keep practicing.